So guys, okay, I'm gonna use this account for this the mushroom tape. So I'm gonna just fight. I'm gonna fight. I'm gonna use. I'm gonna try to. I'm gonna try to do a vampire. Do some vampire gameplay here because why not? Some solo vampire gameplay.
What is this?
Ooh, dope.
No, it's not. I'm here. You're not catching me. What the?
Listen.
What the?
And since vampires are friendly with me, I can. Okay, I'm just going. Only armor is this vampire coat cape, which is actually pretty good. Zero regen, so I can't heal, but I have life still. I also have life still, and I think they made bite stronger because bite used to stuck and only have 3 damage. Okay guys, so if you see this, these are some goblins, and I'm gonna show y'all how good the vampire is. The other vampire is beast. Now, I absolutely destroyed the goblins. And after killing those goblins, I go and these vampires shoot him to just absolutely destroy these people. Yeah, man. After destroying those guys, but after you use that ability, it has some side effects after because it makes you slow for a bit, which sucks if you're trying to run. Don't really use the ability for running. The coal is gone, but this video is only going to be 15 minutes because I can do any video over 15 minutes. So I'm just showing you producing classes. The bite gives you life steal, which is actually very OP since you already get life steal. So that makes you have 20% life steal, which is very strong. Especially when you have 0 regen. And then combining this with the mushroom armor will just make you a god. So now you can heal without having all this life steal. So imagine having kind of health in regen on you. I'm gonna have the background music is YouTube. Don't worry about that. That's just something that's in the background. So don't worry about that. Don't worry about that. We just gotta go in, keep driving until we are at somewhere that how good. Just keep it. I just But I'm not just going for this guy. Oh my god. This is actually OP, bro. Bro, even though this I have only 10%. That's OP. Because guess what? I now heal 5 HP per attack. I'm very strong now with this false short sword. Dealing 52 damage, which means I get 5 HP per life steal. And if y'all don't know the extent of how OP that, it's pretty OP. This is a demonstration. This only gives 2. Like, this will give me 5. The difference is pretty big. This will give me 5 HP per attack. That only gives me 2 HP per attack. So that's why my first sword is better than my bite. So and I'm not gonna use my face cam. But why would I want to use my face cam in the first place? I just don't want to use my face cam. So why I just answer because I didn't want to. And also, if you this video say Frozen Night Killer to confuse people who didn't get to this point of the video. Peace, kaposh.
What is this? Huh?
Okay.
How does this push ball work? Alright, it's this time. No.
Like, look, y'all, please comment. It will help me get lower views and more engagement. I'm trying to make it big. I'm doing that. I think it's pretty good in my opinion. Like, all I do is I'm going to be doing is Dead Spells videos or Roblox videos.
YouTuber beat in every stage. YouTuber.
I'm just doing regular videos.
Who did it? Is that a checkpoint? Minecraft?
Okay.
What is this? What is this? What is this?
Otherworldly is a game I really want, but I can't get it. I don't think I'm going to be lucky enough to get it. I'm selling my healing potions. You know it? Sure.
What the hell? Dude, he has so much health! Nah. Die!
Think.
I got 2 badges for that. We have 12 more stages to go, bro. What is this now?
I don't think I'm gonna get killed by the Muslim people because I'm a vampire. I think so. And awesome. The vampire class. And this is one of the reasons the vampire class is such a good class, bro. Like, dude, I'm not even blazing this class, but the vampire class, what is 10% life steal, but 0% region seems like a pretty good trade-off, and they look trash. But that's no other people. That's no think that. But in reality, that's not the case because he's very strong.
As safe as you can
And
get.
this is me
Take a
when
risk, 'cause you're an obvious.
and you see that Vampire 16 you know
What is this?
you slow down
What is this? What is this? What is
if
this?
you
What's
use
this?
this.
Huh? Okay, you can't jump over that.
Seems and I don't know
Is this a wrap?
it,
What?
I don't know if
You jumped down. Nah, what is this?
in
Can't go
the
over. We can't go under it. Can we
healing
just walk over it?
bonuses from this. I didn't get the healing
We are
bonuses.
40 state. I'm 10 hours
I don't know
into the
why I
journey,
didn't get the
and
healing
you're now
bonuses,
doing this. Now you start
but
doing this.
dude, that doesn't change the fact about how OP this nigga is.
Of course.
This guy is
Shaq is
very OP.
my mentor.
Like the vampire is one of the strongest people in the game. Like one of the strongest legendaries.
What's my
Because with a weapon, he's a god.
What is this?
He's literally like
What is
the
happening?
god of the legendaries with a weapon. He probably sold this
I always
and
forget
good
this,
just
bro. I think it's
couple of
just
healing
close.
potions and bluebell mushrooms,
Okay, let's try that
which
again.
all heal me by the way. Like
Chat, just is it in between? Don't tell me it's in between.
Eat
Try the middle of the box.
to get
There's an invisible platform. Where?
finally. Oh my god, guys, y'all can see this and y'all can look at my region. See this, bro? Like, this guy is OP, bro. Like, y'all just saw how I just did that crap there. Like, dude, I just immediately killed him. Then, yeah, I just killed so much so fast, man. Yeah, I just can't get damaged by the boss because of my region. Purely because of my region, bro. Like, I just completed this in practically a minute, bro. Like, dude, that's how OP this class is.
Okay, let's see.
So, guys, don't hate on the vampire class if you never used it. If you just use the pre-buff version, don't hate on it. Because pre-buff version sucked. The new version is actually so strong. Because after it's buffed, it got a buff. It became super strong. And now I gotta end the video because I don't want my video getting over 15 minutes.